Hey friends! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 5 fantastic laundry solutions designed to make wash day an absolute breeze. Starting. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER 8.0 CU Foot Steam Dryer. If you're dealing with mountain-sized laundry piles, this heavy-duty BLACK+DECKER dryer has your back. Packing a massive 8.0 cubic foot capacity, it easily handles bulky king-sized comforters and giant family loads. The standout feature here is the steam refresh function. It works wonders by relaxing wrinkles and neutralizing odors, saving you tons of precious ironing time. With multiple drying cycles and intuitive controls, it delivers a precise, gentle dry every single time. It's a reliable workhorse for any busy household looking to streamline laundry day. Number 2. Samsung Bespoke AI Washer and Dryer Combo. Why take up room with 2 appliances when one can do it all? This gorgeous, brushed black Bespoke AI combo from Samsung washes and dries your clothes in a single, continuous cycle. You just load it up, press start, and walk away. Its built-in AI technology automatically senses fabric types and soil levels to optimize water usage and cycle times. Plus, because it's a vented unit, you get much faster drying times than typical ventless combos. It's ultra-sleek, smart, and the ultimate space saver for modern homes. Number 3. Splendide Vented Washer/Dryer Combo. Designed specifically for RVs, tiny homes, and compact apartments, the Splendide from Westland is a legendary space saver. Don't let its compact footprint fool you. This machine is engineered to handle tough laundry while minimizing water and energy usage. Since it's vented, it efficiently pushes moisture outside, meaning your clothes come out actually dry without overheating your living space. It runs super quietly and features specialized cycles for delicate fabrics, making it an absolute must-have for life on the road or tight urban living. Number 4. Kenmore Top Load Impeller Washer. If you prefer a classic top loader but want modern cleaning performance, this Kenmore model is a winner. Its 4.5 cubic foot capacity offers plenty of space for daily loads, but the real star is the triple action impeller. Instead of a bulky central agitator, it uses advanced water jets and impeller motions to move clothes thoroughly through the tub. This means you get a deep, powerful clean that's surprisingly gentle on your fabrics, all while giving you more room for larger items. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Top Load Washer with Agitator. For those who trust the tried and true power of a traditional wash agitator, this BLACK+DECKER model hits the sweet spot. The built-in agitator vigorously moves clothes through the water to break down tough stains, ground and dirt, and heavy-duty messes. Paired with a spacious 4.1 cubic foot tub, it's ideal for active families or dirty work clothes. It offers simple, straightforward controls and multiple wash settings, delivering simple, heavy-duty cleaning power without any unnecessary complexity. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gadget reviews every week.